up, homies? My name is Isabel Rocks, and today it's raining, and we got a double rainbow.
Wait a minute, a double rainbow?
Yes, a double rainbow.
You gotta be bloody joking!
It's so intense!
Come on, man.
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
So this is just a quick little video. We just wanted to tell you that we've seen a double rainbow before. This is the first time that we've actually seen one.
And caught it on video.
That's so awesome that we actually got to see a double rainbow. What's up, homies? My name is Isabel Rocks, and today we found a double rainbow. That is so awesome. This is the first ever time that we've actually seen a double rainbow. Hopefully we can see more later on. It's so awesome. It's just unexplainable.
Exactly, because we have no idea what it means.
What does it mean?
It means it's pure epicness in the sky. God has given us the power of epicness. That's why he put the double rainbow in the sky. That's the lesson fact of today. God put the double rainbow in the sky.
Okay, thank you. Let's give a moment of silence to God's thanks.
It's so intense.
You broke the moment of silence.
The moment is
Whoa, falling in the grass. Anyways, we gotta go. Please comment, rate, subscribe to Mega Crazy Sammy.
and Isabel Rocks.